So we're now going to examine this game with the ID 28. We can see it has 541 total steps, and something very prominent we can see already is that one blue agent, Agent 1 here, died very early in the game. We can toggle the bombs and try to look at it, but it will be much easier to just create the range selection, move it down to the required position, and now we can very easily explore what could be the cause. And now we can see here quite well that the blue agent actually placed two bombs at the entrance of this little area. So there are two entrances here, from here and from there. And the blue agent placed a few steps beforehand, one bomb at this place, one bomb at the other place, and kind of trapped itself in this area here. We can see the other two red agents didn't really corner it. I mean, here are even wooden walls between these two agents. And the other blue agent is actually quite far away. We can also highlight it. So this is Agent 2 now. We see, I mean, it's also the beginning of the game, so this makes sense. What we can see here in the overview is that here is a very interesting section of the game in the middle, where the blue agent here, which is highlighted currently, has a very interesting oscillating behavior, and the other two agents just stand still. So let's take a look at here. We can move the range selection up here, and we see this whole thing started to oscillate. Let's now examine the first death of the red agent. So we can activate the time range selection. We can adjust the height and move it up here to the death. And let's now first check here. So we see that the red agent was in the center part here, moved out, while the blue agent was in this kind of area of the game, so it could easily move out, moves towards the blue agent, while the other two agents here are fighting there, moved over here, and then does something interesting. So the red agent placed a bomb at this entrance of this area. So we again have an area that has only two entrances and is very confined in itself. The red agent places a bomb here at the same time step like the blue agent places its bomb, and by doing that the flames also the bombs explode at the same time, and the red agent kind of cornered itself in this area and thereby get eliminated then actually by the flames of the blue bomb. So this bomb travels over this place here. These are then the flames of it, and that killed the red agent. So let's bring up the board. So the agent actually has a lot of place to evade flames or potential bombs. It's a very open area here, but we can see that in the end a very precise placed bomb by the blue agent actually is then the vital reason, as the blue agent waits on the bomb again and then kicks it in the exact moment so that it can travel 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. And on the 5th tile, which is then this position here, it exploded and by that killed the red agent.